In this video, you will learn the technique of counting the breath to strengthen awareness. To begin, come to find a comfortable seated position with your feet resting on the floor and your hands resting on your desk or in your lap. Allow your eyes to close or your gaze to soften. Just breathe gently in and out. Today, we are going to practice counting our breath in the following way. As you inhale, count 1. As you exhale, count 2. Inhale 3 and exhale 4. And so on in this way up to a count of 10. Once you get to 10, start over again at 1. The counting helps make our anchor slightly stronger because we're paying attention to something slightly more concrete than just the breath. And starting over at 10 helps us be more aware of how distracted we might be. If, for example, you count up to 30 before you realize it, then you know that you've been distracted for at least 10 breaths. If at any point you lose count or become distracted, just gently return your attention to your breath and start counting again at 1. Again, we're just breathing gently in and out at your own pace. Begin counting whenever it feels right for you. I'm not going to count for you because you need to control the pacing of your own breath. If you become distracted by thoughts or sensations, just gently acknowledge this and return your attention to your breath. Inhale 1, exhale 2. To transition back into the room, begin to bring some subtle movements into the body by wiggling the fingers and the toes. Now gently move the arms and the legs. Stretch if that feels right for your body today. Begin to notice other sounds and sensations in the room around you. Take a moment to notice how you feel. And then gently open your eyes.